Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to RAM Overload. Today I'm going to show you guys what are some features you do need to turn off if you care about your privacy on Windows 11. So this might differ for different people, but these are generally the settings that I normally keep off, mainly just for privacy reasons and things like that. So let's get started. It's really simple to do. It's all in your settings options, right? So you just want to open up settings, and then on the left hand side go down to privacy and security. Once you're here, first we're going to want to go to general over here, and we want to turn off this, the first one. Let apps show me personalized ads by using my advertising ID. So generally just keep that off. I personally don't like to share the information that I am, just my personal information, that whatever I'm browsing through, or my files or anything, right? And I don't want to be targeted based off that, right? And some people don't mind, say, okay, the ads are better, they're more relevant to me, right? But just in my scenario, I don't really like that, so that's why I keep that off. Next, what we want to do is go back to privacy and settings, privacy and security, right? And we want to go down to speech. So the second one right here is speech, and we want to turn this off. So this is for online speech recognition, and this is mainly for if you use your microphone and stuff like that. They could be using that to listen, which I generally don't want to have that on, and I really don't even use online speech for pretty much anything at all, so I just keep that off. Right, let's go back now, and now let's go to diagnostics and feedback, so which is right here, and over here we want to turn this off, right? And you probably might need this if you're on the insider builds, right? I was on it before, and I think I still am on it, but basically you have to have that off. You have to have it on if you do want to be in the insider program, and that's basically just you receive new builds. People who were part of this program got the Windows 11 preview before anyone else, right? But then again, it's really dependent on you. You are sending a lot more information of your computer and your PC to Microsoft. I don't think they take any personal data. It's more of diagnostics on, if your computer received an error or anything like that, it will send it to Microsoft, and it basically just helps them make their operating system better. So if there are some errors that they never encountered but people are seeing, they will notice that and then probably somehow try to fix it in a future update. But generally you can keep that off. I don't want to have make it restart my PC or anything, so I'll just keep that on for now. So that's the third thing. So the fourth thing is we want to go to activity history, right, and store my activity history on this device. Just basically including the websites and stuff like that. So it does help in a sense if your computer is on sleep mode or anything like that. It kind of does just allows you to go back onto or open up whatever programs you were on when it restarts or anything like that, right? Generally this does store a lot of information on what programs you were using, right? Not like the actual information in the program, but you can turn this off as well. All right, so after we go there, let's go down to location. So these are more specific to apps, right? So if you do have any programs installed from the Windows Store or anything, these will be related to that. The first one will be location. You can turn location services on or off depending on what you have. It might not be the best thing to keep it off, because when you do have it off, you won't be able to do like find my PC or anything, right? If you have a laptop, then I suggest you always keep this on, right? And then you can just kind of granularly check off which app should or shouldn't have access to it, right? So that's that. Next we want to go back, and let's go back to camera. So camera thing, the same thing. Anyone can use the camera, yes or no. My PC does not have a camera on it, so it doesn't really matter to me in this case. But if you did have like a laptop or a computer with a webcam or anything, you do want to have this. Well, you can have it on, but just specify which apps or programs can access that. Okay, so you don't want some random app that you don't know or don't recognize to be on this list. All right. And moving on, last but not least is the microphone. So same thing with the camera. The microphone access goes hand in hand with that. Some computers do have it, some don't, and you just want to verify which apps have access to the actual microphone. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you liked the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.